Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger call didn't answer. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger call didn't answer, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here on this page you will search about the application of Messenger. Then in this page of app info you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your Wi-Fi, you can turn off your Wi-Fi to fix your problem that you have on Messenger. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.